Hi, this is Kit Welchlin, and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on generational communication. The question is, how do we keep employees? Kit, I've worked here a long time. Started in the warehouse and worked my way to the big house. Front house. I mean the front office. Anyway, now seniority and loyalty seems to be old-fashioned. Kind of an old-fashioned concept. How do we keep employees in the future? Yes, it may be a challenge. Yesterday, work relationships were hierarchical and positional. The boss said so. Tomorrow, work relationships will be more situational and temporary. And it might be a good idea to replace the old newsletter with an internal Facebook site or use something like Slack to keep employees engaged. Communication styles are changing too. Yesterday, communications were formal and delivered through proper channels. Tomorrow, communication will be constant, ongoing, high-tech and high-touch. It might be wise to think about the employee's experience in areas of attracting, recruiting, onboarding, training, internal communications, work styles, learning styles, and allow 24/7 access for self-directed learning. The relationship with the manager will be changing. Yesterday, employees preferred to be left alone to do their jobs. Tomorrow, employees will want help doing their jobs and more guidance and more support. And your focus will need to be on communicating things like, meaning and purpose and passion. How we evaluate performance will be different. Yesterday, it was an annual or semi-annual review. Tomorrow, it will be more frequent, maybe even daily. Also consider getting permission and giving props to employees on your external social media pages. Hey, giving props to ourselves on our social media platforms? Hey, that sounds pretty good. I love recognition, and I've done some amazing feats around here, and it would be great to let the world know. I'm going to start today to put together a list of my fabulous feats for our Facebook page. Fantastic. So the question was, how do we keep employees? It is imperative that we keep up with the times, learn and master the new social media platforms, and communicate with younger coworkers through the channels they choose. If your organization is feeling the pressure, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I will provide a presentation with tips for keeping your talent. Check back to welchlin.com regularly for a new video blog.